ended. I can see that our kids are already in the groovy mood. बच्चे already dance floor पर आ गए हैं और हमारे जो बड़े हैं, जो नौजवान हैं, वो पता नहीं क्यों इतने दूर खड़े हैं. I'm sure the bar is closer to them. But I want to tell you कि असली mood तब बनेगा when all of you get into the groovy mood. And let me tell you that we have some fabulous performances lined up for you, which will ensure कि आप सब फिर के यहाँ पर इस dance floor पर. We are going to present to you the leading #1 Punjabi singer of Asia Pacific, but she's going to be joining us in just a little bit because we thought क्यों ना आप सब mood बना ले. So enjoy your drinks, and to start off with, I actually have some interesting gifts to be given away. So firstly, मैं आप सबकी आवाज सुनना चाहती हूँ so that I know how the tempo over here is. So people, are you guys ready to party tonight? Are you set to welcome 2008 with great style? Okay, then I have some interesting gifts to be given away. The first one will go out to a couple who's got married in 2007. Now you have to be honest about it. So I can just trust you to be honest. Any couple present over here who has got married in 2007 can please walk up right here and take away this first gift that I have, which is from Ram Krishna Travels and Tours, and it is stay in Goa. So, okay, we have a couple right here. Jaldi se aap upar aa jaiye, please. दौड़ते हुए, भागते हुए. And नई नई शादी हुई है तो जाहिर सी बात है दोनों बहुत मुस्कुरा रहे हैं. हम आपसे अगले साल मिलेंगे and we would like to see couple here. Congratulations, enjoy yourself. Okay, I have another gift and this is going to go away to the couple that is dressed in the same color. I love couples who are color coordinated. Now I'll tell you a trick if you want to win the next gift, which is very simple. Just grab hold of any lady whose outfit matches your suit and come right here. Any couple who is dressed in the same color, please walk up on stage without wasting time, because I have just one gift to be given away. No problem. I probably will give it to both of you who are walking up on. Francina Mehta.
Atul Shah.
Reena Shah. Okay, congratulations. हम आपको देने वाले हैं. This is a treat at Palm Street, the Oriental restaurant right here in this beautiful hotel. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए दोस्तों. And this one will go out to, let's see, the couple who have become proud parents this year. Proud parents. This year. पेरेंट्स तो कितने सारे हैं, मेरे सारे गिफ्ट इसी में चले जाएंगे. अब मैं हर पेरेंट को यहाँ पर गिफ्ट देने निकल पड़ी. तो एनी कपल हु हैव बिकम प्राउड पेरेंट्स दिस ईयर, नन्ना मुन्ना, मुन्ना मुन्नी, मुन्नी. ग्रेट. ओके, प्लीज क्विकली कम अप ऑन स्टेज, जल्दी से जल्दी. And let me tell you, we also have an Australian DJ who is going to be joining us in just a few minutes from now. But right now, मुन्नी से मुलाकात करते हैं और उनके माँ बाप से. Hi, what's your name? Rushali.
Deepak.
All right, and how many months old?
8 months.
8 months, okay. What do I have for you? Wow, this is a stay at the Resort Mumbai, a 2-night stay for you. Lovely. दोस्तों तालियां हो जाए please. Come on guys, get into the right mood. Okay, anyone who celebrates their birthday today? Again, you'll have to be very honest. Sir, don't hesitate, sir. Please come forward. Are you celebrating your birthday today? So please. You are. Suman Bhai. Suman Bhai Savla.
Yes, he's there.
He's also celebrating his birthday today. Acha, don't mind. Don't. Arey, golden jubilee, kya baat hai, sir? Sir, you are not at all ashamed to tell a pretty girl your age. I'm so proud of you. Okay, quickly, someone else who's celebrating their birthday?
Yes, sir, Suman Bhai Savla.
Okay, sir, the point is that I do trust everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, please, no objection. Lekin, do you have any proof that today is your birthday?
Ask anybody, because this is my 50th golden jubilee bar.
Okay, I have a lady who's endorsing that one. So, no, so I was just joking, please. I was just joking. Okay, what do I have for you? Okay, this is yet another voucher for you coming from the Avenue to both of you. So, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Happy birthday, dosto. Zono ka ye jaye. Let's wish both of them a very happy birthday. Okay, congratulations and have a great time. And don't you worry, जिन्हें अभी तक gifts नहीं मिले हैं, I do see a lot of women suddenly who are dressed so beautifully. I think I'm going to give away this next voucher. The final one in this first round, which is a complimentary stay for 2 nights at Donna Sylvia in Goa. And this will go out to the girl who's wearing the shortest dress besides me. Anyone who's wearing the shortest dress, please line up on the dance floor. I know everyone's not going to be gutsy to walk up on stage like me, so please don't hesitate, ladies. Yes, please. Do not hesitate. Walk up here. I think at least that's why I told you what you're going to get before calling you on stage. Please join me. Ladies. I am serious. Please join me on stage, all of you. Why did your friend Anjali? Come up. Okay. Complimentary stay for 2 nights, Donna Sylvia, Goa. वैसे दोस्तों मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल सी बात हो गई मैं कैसे डिसाइड करूं who should get this one. So I think I'm going to go by audience poll, and the lady who gets the maximum cheering and noise and applause from the audience will get this beautiful gift voucher from us. So ladies, please come forward. Thank you so much, and quickly please tell me your names. I'm going to start with you.
Lovelina, Nana, Anjali, Farah.
All right, welcome, and I'm going to start with the lady over here. Do you think she should get this complimentary stay, Donna Sylvia? Yes or no? Okay, do you think she should get it? Okay, only if you think she should get it, scream aloud. What about her? Okay, one more time, I'm going to try this. Her? Come on guys, यहाँ पर किसी को सीटी मारनी आती है? Okay, over here. Okay, I love your friends, man. They're cheering so well for you. What about this pretty girl here? Or her? Okay, I think I truly have my winner over here. So I'm going to give this one to you. Congratulations. And thank you so much for being so sporting. If you're going to wait up on stage, I am going to request my friend to quickly give me a few more vouchers. Ladies. Okay, I just decided to be a little more generous this evening. You all are looking so wonderful, so. A gift voucher for Peninsula Sign goes out to this lady. And Avenue, gift voucher going out to you. And a Peninsula Sign, again, complimentary lunch or dinner for you. I don't like to disappoint women who look so pretty. So, guys, get into the groovy mood. I'm so happy कि आप सब डांस फ्लोर के इतने करीब आ चुके हैं. बस कुछ ही देर में I'm sure I'm going to see all of you right here group tonight. Guys, let's get ready to welcome 2008 with a bang. And right now it's time for DJ Tejas to take over. Thank you.
I want you to take a broom and sweep my yard. You better brush it good or we go fall apart. Don't give me no shortcut thing. You have all day and night. I had to satisfy, so you better do it right. no card.